Hi guys, it's Reece here from R44 Performance. Today I'm going to walk you through where we are at on the G80X platform. So end of June now, the car's been out for about 3-4 months and we've done loads of progress from styling to performance to interior to handling. So yeah, let's walk you through. So both of our kind of shop cars of such. So we've got the G82 M4 in a satin black and our G80 M3 in a Brooklyn grey, both paired with the carbon seats, black and kind of Silverstone leather interior. So from the first is the SP1 front lip. So this front lip we've been working on from the start, from early March when we first got the car. We got our prototype made and this is the production run. So this is the SP1 made here in the United Kingdom, actually in Silverstone, about a mile away from the racetrack. Made in one of our composite houses, just got, you know, the best kind of machines to make the best quality products. So paired up, one of the biggest things with the design of this was a nice kind of fin design here and this duct here. This lines up with the OE duct, so if you have that kind of the ultimate pack or anything like that and you've got the carbon ducts, this matches well, as well as the new ducts that we're coming out in the next month will have a twin duct design that matches perfectly with this fin. So this will be great if you are if you haven't got the exterior carbon pack like our M3. So moving on to the side, so that's the front lip. The side, obviously we've now got the H&R springs. So we've got two springs available. We've got the H&R springs, which are 30 and a 20 on the front, 30 and a 10 on the M3, for example. And then we've got our own springs that will follow in the very near future, which are kind of a stancy spring. We've got these on a 12-15 setup, so 12 front, 15 rear on both cars. Kind of OEM plus, nothing too aggressive, so we don't want the cars looking a bit over, you know, too much. And then we've obviously got the SK1 side skirt. So this again is made in-house here in Silverstone in the UK at pre-preg carbon, and it just settles. It's not too aggressive, not too serious. It's really easy to fit, especially at home fittings. It's perfect, and it just settles off the car. Coming down to the rear of the car, so this M4 we've got our ducktail spoiler. So this again is pre-preg carbon fiber, so the weaves all match, just, you know, really dark weaves. That's one thing to look out for in your carbon. You just want a nice dark weave. Coming back, obviously this car is equipped with the M Performance carbon kit from factory, so you've got a nice diffuser. Our diffuser is currently in development. It's a lot harder part, a lot more molds in them to make it just perfect, and we want something a bit more aggressive. We're going to take our time with it. So yeah, you know, it just looks amazing. I think it just looks the perfect amount. So if we go back onto our M3, of course, for the M3 guys, this is our stance pack. So this is a new spring. It will be on the market in the next couple months. We're just finishing like spring rates, track testing. We've got a few more track days to do, but you can see it really tucks the arch. Coming over to the rear, we've got the full catback system on our M3. You can hear the difference of the M4 to the M3. This one's just purring. So this is the catback system. This is the EU car, so it's got an OPF filter, secondary cats and a silencer. These have been removed. 2 bullet silencers midway through the system, and then a back box with valves around the outside. So it's not too much, it's not too little. It's, you know, it is a perfect system for the car. It's all switchable off, obviously, with the valve system. So that's pretty much a roundup. We've got some great little bits coming for the side of your car. We've got some stuff for the front, especially the plaque area. We've got loads little bits in development. It's just a little teething issues with mold making, but we can't wait to get them out. Guys, get in the comments, get us on socials. Any questions, send us them over. The guys are more than happy to help. Yeah, and just enjoy the content that comes out on these two cars. It's going to be amazing.